gorgeous boy. Hello, hello, hello. Cookie, I know Cookie. This is why we love Cookie. This is why Cookie, Mud Puddle, who's just discovered some treats. Yeah, this is Cookie Mud Puddle. Enjoy the treats. Here he is. This tail on this dog never stops wagging. Cookie, no, you can't have the treats in the bag. You've eaten the treats already, haven't you? Yes, you have. And this is Bonnie saying hello to Cookie. Cookie, 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 you're lovely. Where's the mud puddle? Cookie, where's the mud puddle gone? Show us what you do when you see a mud puddle. Morning, afternoon. Oh, and here we have over here Maddie, who is playing with Hector. Hector, and there they go. There's Cookie in the foreground. And there's Maddie, Hector and Cookie. I'm not sure if you can see them, let me pull it up. No, can't see them. But in a minute, Cookie will go into the mud puddle. There we are. You can't see that? Right, that's the first one. First set.